Hello and welcome to Workdrum. My name is Vicky and today I will be showing you how to let your workers set up their username and password. The main reason why your workers need to set up their username and password is so that they can be able to use mobile apps, see their schedules online, pick up open shifts, and much more. There are two main ways to let users set up their credentials. Once logged into your account, locate the account menu option at top of the screen and select Manage Employees. Notice a link at top of screen. First option is to share this link to all your workers as it is unique to your organization. The second option is to find the specific employee you wish to invite, then select Advanced Actions next to their name. You should see a button that allows you to send invitation to the user. Select the button and provide the email for this user. If email exists in system for the user, it would be auto-populated. If you do not see this button, it means the user already has a username and password set up. After providing the email, you should get a confirmation message indicating that information has been sent to the user. Thank you for watching this video. If you have questions or difficulties, please reach out to our support team via email, support@workdrum.com, or use our live chat support channel.